Hi guys, welcome back. This weekend we're heading south. We've just stopped here at Genoa Falls for a quick look. I've always driven past here, but I've never stopped. So today's the day. I'm here to check it out, just on our way south. I'm not quite sure where we're going to end up, but we'll find somewhere nice, I'm sure. But check out this little spot. We're still looking for a campsite, but we've stopped here at Pearl Point. And look at this. Check that out. Look at the water down there. Crystal clear. It's beautiful. I haven't been here before, and it's a lovely spot. We made it here, and we've stopped at Gai Beach. Now I hope I've said that right. This is a lovely little spot. I'll just turn around here. Not real big. But you could definitely get half a dozen cars in here, and it's nice and grassy. Great little spot. There's a track going over to the beach. We'll go over there shortly and have a look. Might get a quick swim in for dinner. But we've set up camp and got the trailer with us this weekend. Rooftop tent. We're going to stop here for a couple of nights, go for a drive tomorrow, and yeah, just have a look around, see what we can find. But we're going to go over to the beach in a minute, so we'll have a look at that. How nice is that? Let's go feel the water. Good morning. We've just woken up, and would you believe it, it's raining again. I don't know what's going on with that. Same thing happened exactly 12 months ago. I must have a bit of bad luck, perhaps. But we're going to stick it out for a little bit. We'll see if it passes, and then we might go and hit some tracks. But we're just having a bit of breakfast at the moment. We'll sort of have a slow morning getting ready, and then we'll sort of check what the weather's going to do and take it from there. So I'll get back to you, but looks like it's set in at the moment. We've had a bit of luck. The rain stopped, it's blowing over, so now I'm just going to finish this cup of tea. I'm going to get out and hit a few tracks, see what we can find. Rightio, we're here at Swan Lake track. Now this is a seasonally closed track, but it's open because we're here in December. So it's only short, goes down to the lake. Gates open, let's go and see what it's got to offer.
Okay, so this is Swan Lake. Oops. Ooh. Where's all the ballerinas?
Well, we made it, Swan Lake. It's beautiful down here, but as you can see, that's the only entry behind me. Not much room. If you had a canoe or something, you could get in there and go for a fish. There's got to be something in there actually, but beautiful spot, beautiful spot. I'll try and get another shot just up, back up the track a bit more. This is the parking spot down here. Probably enough for you know, 3 or 4 cars. And it's probably about 2.5k in. Only a short little track. Rightio, so we got back on the road and went for a bit of a drive, and then we followed this overgrown goat track, and we're back down here on the river now. I don't think many people have driven down the track, and there's a short walk down this steep little section, but yeah, it's a lovely little spot here on the river, and there's a few rapids. We can hear them just down around the corner there. We'll see if we can have a look at those. Might be a bit thick. This is pretty cool. Very thick down here. Oh yeah, I'll turn around, have a look at this. Wow, how nice is this? Sort of reminds me of Tasmania a little bit. Beautiful spot, beautiful. Love getting out into these remote places. You never know what you're going to find. We've ended up down here at Cape Conran, and we're just having a look around, checking out a couple of nice spots we found. There's a boat ramp here, and then we're going to keep going up the road into Marlo. Just having a poke around down here in Marlo. Yeah, very pretty. Beautiful day. This is a fine looking boat. Nice and big. Right, who's coming down? Right, looks like fun. I've got to have a go. Up we go. Big kid. Rightio, I don't know if this is a good idea. Here we go. Oh. Hang on, I've got to get out. Rightio, go. Okay, so this is our cooking segment, and we're making a chocolate camp oven pear cake. Something like that, so we'll see how it turns out. What do we got here? Pears. Rightio, so we've got a bit of pear in there, we've got a bit of a cheap chocolate mix. And we're going to put it in the camp oven. How long does it go in the camp oven for?
About 45 minutes.
About 45 minutes. We'll see how it turns out, fingers crossed.
Turn out beautiful.
Yeah, looks yummy. We've just put the camp oven in the coals. It's going to stay in there for 45 minutes. And then we'll check that. Hopefully it'll be okay.
Yeah, I didn't have a proper bowl, so the saucepan will make do.
Now I'll say it again, Scotty, but there's something unwholesome about whipping cream at night.
You won't be saying that when you got it smeared all over your face.
You won't be putting that bit in. That's good beating.
Yes, yes, I've been a beater most of my life.
I can tell. Wrist action. Got a nice rhythm there. It's hypnotic.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Well, I'll let you keep beating away in the dark.
Okay.
Yep, she's ready.
Excellent.
That's good.
That's our weekend away down here near Bem River. We had a good look around, found some nice things. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe if you like following along on our adventures, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys.